What's good, brother?
What's good? All right.
Long time.
Long time.
Yes, sir.
Do it properly.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
work on it.
I don't know how we were gonna do our circuit workout here. This dude didn't bring a pair of dumbbells.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we only
Get
got
over it.
20s.
Yeah. Start with the basics. I'll start with this one. How many reps? I don't know.
15, bro.
15 minutes? Yeah.
Okay.
Working out session with the childhood buddy.
Let's get it. Kettlebell, but it's not like swings.
Let's do it with my weak hand first. Right hand.
Swings.
Okay.
So yeah, man. I mean,
Yeah, I would warm up because
Yeah,
I'm
warm up.
27, so
mhm.
yeah.
And I just came back from Japan. Didn't work out. Stayed there for almost 2 weeks.
Wait,
So I'm out of shape.
is the mic up to make our voices up?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This far, or should I speak on that?
No, it will reach out. Yeah.
Okay, tell me. Whenever you're ready.
One. Yes.
Three. Right. Okay. Left hand. Easy. 1. 9. 10. Okay. Good. Yeah. Fuck.
One intense strength. So yeah, I'll be starting off now.
Alright. Be my guest. So you just gotta time lapse that shit.
6,
Uh,
7, not really. 8. That's 20.
I can only do 15, bro.
Hi.
Fuck. What's the next one?
Squats.
Oh yes, what? See this?
You can do body weight.
Yeah. A lot easier for me.
Just 10.
I hate my right hand, man. Fuck. Ab workouts are my favorite because when you're doing handstand push-ups, you need to work out your upper body and your core. It took me 3 months, just 6 months, just to get a single rep.
Okay, we just got done with our workout.
Fucking died, man. Good,
Yeah,
feels
man.
good to be back.
Feels
bro.
good.
Feels good to be back.
Plus, we haven't seen each other in like,
7,
no, not 7 years.
5
but-
years.
Yeah, it's been 5 years,
5
man.
years, yeah.
We only got to
Although
catch
we
up.
live in the same village,
We live in the same village,
we rarely see
same
each other.
community. Yeah,
But yeah, finally we did.
and
good to be back.
Yeah, first workout of like 5 years, us together, bro.
Us together.
I used to train this guy actually,
He introduced me into the world of bodybuilding, or like working out.
or fitness in
Fitness
general.
journey,
Yeah.
fitness. He's the one who introduced me to it. So yeah, expect more because we'll do this shit like 3 times a week.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Grind, don't stop. Wait, almost too bright.
I'm right on you. Kidding.
What? No, I mean the workout.
The
itself.
workout?
Yeah. How should I name that workout? The workout we did.
Homecoming workout.
Homecoming workout.
Daddy's home workout.
Daddy's own workout.
Worked out our asses though.
Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow, man.
Alright, okay.
Tonight, right?
Alright.
Tomorrow night.
Alright, man.
Okay. Bye. You look like shit. I look like Korean Jesus. Fuck. Hold up. So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place. Higher a bit. When I'm gone, you need love. There we go. To light the shadows on your face. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Oh! See that? Teaser lang, kalma lang. We will post this video online. We just need to work on our timings. What about this one?
If only I can stop coughing.
You know this one? There I was, an empty piece of shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, you gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure a love where you will endure. There we go. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. It's amazing how you can speak right to the smile on your face. Lets me know that you
Okay,
need. Yeah.
I know that song.
Okay,
yeah.
so we'll practice that one as well, okay?
If only your boy wasn't coughing.
Yeah, it's okay, man. At least we're getting the hang of it. I just wanna, Vinny got me this gift from Japan. It says Ken, my name. I don't know what this is. I think this is Ken, right?
Yeah.
Or this is Ken.
No, Ken. Like literal Ken.
What about this?
As in Ken, bro.
Oh yeah, this
That
is
is your
Ken.
name in kanji.
Yep, in kanji. Yep, and this is me.
Yes,
I know,
yes,
so-
sir.
You'll be seeing me a lot in his videos. I don't know if this will go as a vlog or as like introductory video, but you'll see me more. But yeah, we're also thinking about continuing our cooking vlogs as well.
I mean, for his channel. So
No, I'm not really, but let's see, okay? But because
Okay.
I just really want this guy to prosper first. We did spend a lot of time before. It was like every freaking weekend, right? Every weekend we used to hang out here, or we used to.
Oh, bro,
hang
there
out-
have been times when you would come here like 4 times a week.
Yeah,
3,
4 times a week. Yeah, sleep over. Yep. And my mom wouldn't really mind, and his mom wouldn't really mind. So. Yeah, and we also, I think, what else? What else did we do back then? You also went to my crib. We did some chocolate videos, and then we just went straight to McDonald's after that one, right?
Right.
We ate yeah. That's how we do before. That's how we do it before. Just bond over vlogs and food. So it's good to see that he's doing well now. Slowly getting there. And I'll be on the sidelines cheering. That's my baby boy. Bring out the baby oil. Get it every breath I take.
Baby oil.
And every move. Diddy.
I'm not ignoring any of y'all. I'm just taking my time here and working on some things. So yeah, I'm not a fake friend. Just let me out of space, okay?